In this short video, we are going to find the area and perimeter of a basic rectangle. Let's take a look. Here's our problem. Find the area and perimeter of the plot of land shown below. We can see that that plot of land is 20 yards by 75 yards. Now, often in these problems, you might need to fill in some missing sides. So you can see that we only have two sides, but the property of rectangles are such that if this long side is 75, then the opposite side must also be 75 yards. And likewise, the short side on the opposite must be 20 yards. Now, the way we find perimeter is we simply calculate the distance around the rectangle. If we were to take a walk around this plot of land, how far would we go? So we're going to go each one of these dimensions. We're going to go 20 yards and then 75 yards and 20 and 75. So we can just add those numbers up. P equals 20 plus 75 plus 20 plus 75. So go ahead and plug that into your calculator. Follow along. You should get the number 190. It's important for this kind of a problem that we list the units. And the units are a distance of yards. So we went 190 yards. Now, in some ways, the area is even easier to calculate because all we're going to do is we're going to multiply one side by the other side. We can think of it as multiplication. This times that. So let's set that up. Area equals, the formula for that, which is on the GED sheet, is length times width. It doesn't matter what we call the length and the width. They are interchangeable, and that's going to be 20 times 75. So when we calculate that, we get 1,500 square yards. When we calculate area, it's always going to be in square units. Oops, forgot the D there. All right, 1,500 square yards. Okay, let's look at a similar problem for you to practice on. Find the area and perimeter of the plot of land shown below. Now note the units have changed and the numbers have changed. Instead of yards, now we're getting a dimension in terms of feet. And the short side is 12 feet and the long side is 60 feet. So as in the other videos, you can pause it at this point, try to solve the problem, and then continue the video when you are ready to look at the answer. So go ahead and pause right now. And the answers that you should have gotten are a perimeter of 144 feet and an area of 60 square feet. If for some reason you didn't get one or both of those answers, please go back and watch the video again and try to solve this one more time.